damn it. Stop that, Johnny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be drinking bubble tea, and we are probably going to scroll through Reddit. We're going to talk about some trending topics, and we're going to talk about some things. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so did you guys notice that I just came from my other mukbang? I just did a noodle mukbang. So if you haven't checked that out, then go and check that out as well. But now I'm gonna have some bubble tea, which is probably one of my favorite things ever. I freaking love bubble tea. Oh my gosh. I'm actually excited. I typically get the, I know this is like a big jug. I don't know if I'm gonna drink all of this, but I'll try. I typically get the regular bubble, like the bubble milk tea. From time to time, I'll get like the fruity teas or like the ones without milk. But for the most part, the regular OG milk bubble tea is my favorite. If you guys never tried bubble tea, I definitely recommend you try it. It's funny, I recommend you try everything. But I definitely recommend you try it. When I first had bubble tea, I didn't like it. I didn't like the taste, and yeah, I just didn't like it. It's an acquired taste, because it's tea with milk and sugar, and some places just make it a little bit on the bitter side. So in that case, in that sense, it's an acquired taste. But you guys, I love it. And the tapioca, which is the bubbles at the bottom, is my favorite part, because it's kind of like eating and having a beverage at the same time. I know I just finished eating. I always have space for bubble tea. I'm actually gonna put more tapioca. Okay, chill out. God damn it. Stop that, Johnny. Hot mess, I swear. I have to deal with me every day. I know. Should I scroll through Reddit and see what's up on Reddit? Also, if you guys didn't watch my new video, and this is, well, my other video, and this is your, if this is your first time here, what's up? Hey. I'm Kendra, KissedByKen. I hope you like my videos. If you didn't watch my noodle mukbang yet, in there I said that I made a TikTok, so go follow me on TikTok at KissedByKen1. And if you haven't yet followed me or added me on Snapchat, then I suggest you do that too, because I do daily check-ins and chats with you guys. And like, I really actually chat with you guys, because you guys can comment and I can reply to you guys, which I have been doing. This is too good. I went on my phone to go on Reddit, and then I just started doing other things. Alright guys, let's talk about this. It says, at what point did you realize that you weren't conventionally attractive? For me, it was around 19 when a girl I was dating looked me dead in the eyes and told me, you're just not that cute, but you're cool though. Suddenly everything made sense. That is so mean. Somebody said, I was hanging out with my really sexy friend and a woman randomly smiled at him. Realized that a woman has never randomly smiled at me, and in the 10 years or so that's followed, a woman has never randomly smiled at me since. That's so funny. He called his friend sexy. Some guys are like weird about that type of stuff. The thing about attractiveness is it's all subjective. Somebody might think, like if we're gonna do the 1 to 10 rating scale crap, somebody might think you're like a 5. Somebody else might think you're like a 7, pretty average. And then somebody might think you're just like the most beautiful thing ever, or the most handsome thing ever, and you're a straight 10. It's really all subjective. It has nothing to do with nothing. Like other people's opinions, that's why I think it's just so important for you to make sure that you feel good about yourself. Because once you realize and once you know that you're a 10 to yourself, everybody else's opinion really can't affect you, because it's their opinion. Even celebrities, like some people think certain celebrities are better looking than others and whatever. It's all opinions from just people that it just really just doesn't matter. That's my thing about attractiveness. It's like, I wish there wasn't so much emphasis on it like meaning something, but it does, unfortunately. That just, it either makes you or break you because of your self-esteem. It kind of reminds me of my Wine Chat Wednesday when I was talking about pretty privilege being a thing. Most people in the comments said that it is a thing. I mean, I just have conflicting thoughts about that. It's like, yes and no. You would think that generally attractive people are like, can get away with certain things and whatever that is. But what the heck is a general attractive person? Like, what makes somebody attractive and what makes them not attractive? That's really like what is the basis of this attractiveness that makes you on the other side of the spectrum, where you can have this pretty privilege and where you are considered just attractive in society? You know what I mean? Like, what is the basis for it? Because everybody looks different and everybody has different features and everything. You might think, like, for example, let me see, whatever, two different people, right? Like you and someone else, or two different celebrities, they are both attractive to you, but they both have different features. So what is it about them that is attractive? You know what I mean? And besides that, who the heck decides who's attractive and who's not? I would like to know. Who gets to decide who gets pretty privilege and who doesn't? Because I would like to know. This is why I can't, like, I have this conversation because, you know, you have like these little debates within your family and stuff. And I have this conversation and this debate with my family multiple times. Like, I can't say that somebody is ugly because it's just like, what? Like, you know, I can say somebody's not attractive to me. Like, I personally don't feel like they are attractive, or somebody isn't what is attractive, or whatever it is. Like, I can have that opinion, but my opinion on who's attractive and who's not attractive is not the basis for all of society. Like, whoever I think is attractive is not going to be attractive to somebody else, or maybe they are, but it's not going to be like the basis of like, oh, my opinion over everybody else's. So that's why I just don't like the concept of like the whole attractiveness thing. As far as both of the scenarios that I just read, it could have just been like that person liked the other person more, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be a scenario where someone is going to come across and like you more than the other person. You know what I mean? Stuff is so frustrating to me. But anyway, I'm going to move on to something else. Bro, hold on. This is like rated, I'm going to try to say it in the most PG-13 way as possible. The name and everything is blocked, and everything is blocked. This might be a funny thread to go down though. Oh God. As soon as I'm about to get started, my battery's dying. Hold please. Okay, so the thread I came across says, I'll think y'all ready because I wasn't ready. It says, my baby's father thinks because I'm not begging him to pay child support, he doesn't have to help support his kid. Come watch me get at 30% off to spite him, and then the rest is blocked off. I don't understand people these days. I don't know what's happening. Do you ever feel like you just kind of don't belong here because you can't relate to a lot of people? I don't know. I just don't know. Sometimes I'm like, I don't think I was cut out for this. Listen, I think there was a mistake somewhere. I really think there was a mistake somewhere, and I need to figure it out because I'm very like sensitive and I can be emotional, and the way things happen in this world and things you find out about people and the things you know, sometimes it's too freaking much for me. It really is too much for me. Like, I'd rather just stay in my own little bubble, which I tend to do anyway. But somebody said, well, what's the link? I support single moms. Why are people like this? I subscribe to my neighbor's OnlyFans. Gotta support local businesses. I subscribe to my sister's OnlyFans because I support the family business. Bro, what the heck? This whole thread is crazy. Somebody said my dad because I believe in child support. Alright, that's enough for that one. And this is funny. I just saw 3 homeless guys giving each other the COVID vaccine under a bridge. What a caring community we live in. Y'all, can we talk about how people after the pandemic, or like during the pandemic, like I've been seeing people take drugs like straight up in the street a lot as well. Like it's crazy. I don't know. I mean, you can understand because certain things happened and nobody's really outside, you know, but it is strange. A C-section is cleaner, quicker, and a lot less risky than an abortion. That's an interesting opinion. I've actually never heard that comparison before. I don't like to talk too much about this because it's a touchy subject, but what I will say as far as that specific comment is that still with the C-section, you'd have to carry full term versus an abortion. It's way earlier. So that's a difference. And besides that, there's a bunch of like other things too. But that's all I'm gonna say on that because I'm not in the mood, y'all. I'm not in the mood to have that conversation. My curls came out good today. I deep conditioned. I parted to put my product in. I also didn't use too much product. It looks nice and full, you know? I actually parted in the middle. But anyway, you guys, I think I'm gonna end this video right there because I have no idea what else to talk about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely gonna be finishing up my bubble tea. Recommend me in the comments. Recommend me TikTok accounts to follow, please, and thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!